Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2654 indicates a high voltage signal in the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. This is a crucial component in controlling the variable valve timing, VVT, in the Honda Civic 2022 and later models. The rocker arm oil control solenoid, often integrated with the rocker arm oil control valve, regulates the flow of oil to the rocker arms to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors this solenoid's operation through its return signal. If the return signal is on while the PCM outputs an off signal, the PCM recognizes this discrepancy as a fault, resulting in the logging of DTC P2654. Active monitoring of this circuit is essential for maintaining engine performance and preventing potential engine issues. The rocker arm oil control solenoid plays a vital role in managing the oil pressure within the rocker arms, enabling optimal operation of the variable valve timing system. It is located near the engine's head and is crucial for facilitating accurate valve operation based on engine demands. The PCM, an electronic control unit, is responsible for ensuring that both engine timing and efficiency are maintained at optimal levels. It monitors the signals from the rocker arm oil control solenoid and determines if an abnormality exists in its operation. If there's a discrepancy between the expected off signal from the PCM and the actual on signal received from the solenoid, the DTC is triggered. The rocker arm oil control valve works in conjunction with the solenoid to regulate oil flow and pressure to the rocker arms, ensuring proper function and performance of the engine. Several issues can lead to DTC P2654. A faulty rocker arm oil control solenoid may fail to respond correctly to the PCM's commands, leading to abnormal voltage readings. This can result from internal malfunctions or wear over time. Another possible cause is an open circuit in the wiring that connects the solenoid to the PCM. Damage or disconnection in these wires can prevent the proper signal transmission, leading to errors in solenoid performance. Additionally, if the PCM itself is faulty and incorrectly interprets or processes the signals from the solenoid, it can erroneously log this code. Each of these possibilities warrants further inspection to accurately diagnose and resolve the underlying issue. The symptoms associated with DTC P2654 can significantly affect vehicle operation. Most notably, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to the potential issue at hand. Drivers may also notice decreased engine performance, including sluggish acceleration or reduced power during operation. In some cases, an unusual engine noise may be present, often related to improper valve operation caused by inadequate oil flow to the rocker arms. These symptoms cumulatively indicate that the engine's timing or efficiency could be impaired, prompting an immediate investigation and resolution to maintain vehicle integrity and performance. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P2654 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the vehicle's onboard systems to be powered on, which is necessary for running diagnostics. The next part of this step is to perform the Honda Diagnostic System HDS VTEC test. The VTEC system is vital for variable valve timing and is closely linked to the performance of the rocker arm oil control solenoid. During this test, the system checks for proper operation and communication between the PCM and the solenoid. If any abnormalities are detected during this test, they will aid in identifying whether the issue lies with the solenoid, the wiring, or the PCM itself. The second troubleshooting step involves inspecting the rocker arm oil control solenoid itself. First, The 2P connector of the solenoid should be disconnected to prevent any interference during the testing procedure. A multimeter is used to measure the resistance of the solenoid's internal circuit, which should normally range between 13.9 and 16.9 ohms at room temperature. If the resistance readings fall outside this range, this indicates a malfunction within the solenoid itself, necessitating replacement. Ensuring good connectivity and performance of this solenoid is crucial for maintaining engine efficiency and responsiveness. In the third step, it is essential to inspect the external circuit connecting the rocker arm oil control solenoid and the powertrain control module, PCM. Before disconnecting the PCM connector E, ADP, the SCS line should be jumped using the HDS and left for more than 1 minute. Following this, both the solenoid's 2P connector and the PCM's ADP connector should be disconnected. A multimeter should be employed to measure the resistance in the KG and VTS2 wiring, ensuring it's less than 1 ohm for normal operation. If these measurements indicate abnormal values, it suggests that an open wire or fault exists in the circuit, which can be crucial for troubleshooting the DTC P2654 effectively. The final troubleshooting step involves inspecting the powertrain control module PCM itself. If the previous inspection items return normal values, it's likely that the PCM has developed a fault. The PCM is a critical component that governs engine functions. Therefore, a discrepancy in its operation can lead to issues such as the one indicated by DTC P2654. During this inspection, the technician should verify all electrical and signal pathways to the PCM. If no issues are found and the PCM is determined to be faulty, it may need to be replaced to restore full functionality to the engine management system. This diagnosis should be carefully documented to ensure accurate records for future reference. Once the necessary repairs have been made to address DTC P2654, it is crucial to perform a final verification. First, the technician should clear the DTC from the PCM using the HDS diagnostic tool, ensuring that the error code is reset within the vehicle's memory. Following this, the vehicle should be run through a series of diagnostic tests and normal driving conditions to confirm that the issue has been rectified. Monitoring performance. Conducting the VTEC test again and checking for the reappearance of the DTC will help determine if the solenoid, wiring, and PCM are operating correctly. This step is essential to ensure the long-term reliability of the vehicle and to provide the vehicle owner assurance that the issue has been fully resolved. To prevent issues similar to DTC P2654 in the future, regular inspections of the rocker arm oil control solenoid and associated wiring are highly recommended. Routine checks can help identify any wear or damage early on, allowing for timely repairs and minimizing downtime. Additionally, monitoring the quality and level of engine oil is essential. Oil that is low or contaminated can significantly impact the operation of the solenoid and the entire variable valve timing system. Maintaining proper oil levels and ensuring routine oil changes will promote the longevity and efficiency of the engine components. Using quality engine oil that meets Honda specifications will further enhance reliability and performance, ultimately leading to improved vehicle health. In conclusion, DTC P2654 signifies a high voltage issue concerning the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit, impacting the overall engine performance of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Through a stepwise approach to troubleshooting, which includes detailed diagnostics of the solenoid, wiring, and PCM, effective identification and resolution of the issue can be achieved. Clear communication of these diagnostic steps enhances the technician's ability to address and rectify the problem systematically. Implementing preventive measures, such as routine inspections and proper maintenance of engine oil levels, are vital in minimizing risks associated with similar future DTCs. By ensuring proper care and attention, vehicle owners can foster improved reliability and performance from their Honda Civic. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.